Hello everyone, welcome to Financial Engineer. Today in this video, I will tell you about one of the types of manipulations in stock market where almost all the retail traders will lose their money. I mean around 95 to 98% of the retail traders will lose their money while this kind of manipulations is going on. So listen to this video very carefully. See, first of all, the market is being handled by big players who has crores and crores of money like hedge funds, mutual funds, LICs and some rich brokers. Right, everybody knows about this. So how do they manipulate? Let us discuss about one kind of manipulations which was there from decades ago and which will be there in the future also. I will start this with a good example. While making movies, the movie writers, directors know exactly at which point they have to keep some scene where people will go crazy with whistles, right? Like that, they understand the people's psychology and play with that to make the movie hit and to make more money. Exactly like that, in stock market also, the big players, in order to make more money, they play with the retail trader psychology. So how do they play? Let us talk a bit technical now, okay? There are over 5,000 companies in Bombay Stock Exchange and only 2,000 companies are good with good volumes and good trades are done in it. And the remaining 3,000 companies are no address, nobody cares about them and nobody knows also. They will be in some small cap stocks, right? In these small companies, many of the companies will be in loss from many months. So, to make themselves profitable, they do this. I will explain this with an example. Let's say a company named ABC is in loss from many months. So the promoters of the company who has huge percentage of stakes of that company will set a meeting with few big sharks. What they do is they will tell the big sharks, see boss, I have around 80 lakh shares of ABC company and I will give all this to you and you must return me this back after 8 or 10 months. Okay, like this they will transfer their shares to big players with an agreement. From now, the interesting game of manipulation starts. Now, the 80 lakh shares of ABC company is with Big Shark. The Big Shark now sets up two fake private limited companies, let's say a company named X and a company named Y. Both are his companies, but according to public it will be different cause nobody knows, right? Now, he keeps that 80 lakh shares in X company and anyhow he has lot of money, he keeps money in Y company. Let's say ABC company shares at 100 rupees. Next day, he sells few lakh shares to Y company for 105 rupees. Okay, you would be thinking if he sells for 105 rupees to his own company from 100 rupees, he only must pay for higher price. It will be loss for him, right? But no, it's not loss for him. I will give you an example for you. Imagine I have one mobile in my pocket and 1 lakh rupees in my another pocket. If I sell my mobile to my another pocket for 1 lakh rupees, nothing is changed. Just the places of the mobile and money is changed. But I don't have any loss or any profit. But for others to see, it will look like a transaction, right? Like that, both companies belong to him. It's just a transfer of money and shares between his two companies. Yesterday the price was 100, today is 105 and next it goes to 115, 145 till 200. He only pushes the stock up and up by selling it for higher price to his own company. By this time, some full-time traders' eyes will be there on this stock, but they won't buy this now yet. Now, level 2 manipulation starts. These sharks create buzz about the stock in media like this. Stock moved from 100 to 200 in just few months in newspapers, TV channels and in some applications. All these kind of hot stock news are paid news. Sharks pay them to promote the stock so that the retail traders can buy it. All these are fake actually. And next, in some business channel, one well-dressed analyst will come. He tells this stock moved 100% in just few months and it has the potential to go till 500 in next few months. Buy as soon as possible. Like this, the buzz will be created in social media, newspapers and in some Telegram channels. By now, all the full-time traders, retail traders, everyone will start to buy this. Demand will be high, but the sellers will be low. Price moves from 200 to 300, 350 in no matter of time by manipulation. Okay. And next, he sells 40 lakh shares to public at 350 price because demand is high, right? He takes that money. Then with remaining 40 lakh shares, he starts hammering the market just like he did fake transactions with his two fake companies to make price higher. Just like that, he hammers the stock price lower and lower. Now from 350 rupees, next day the price drops to 300. People will think it's just a correction, it will move higher, they will hold the stock. Again he hammers lower and lower, like 280, 250, 230, day by day he starts creating panic in market. The stock crashes down to 80-70 range. Now the smart big shark buy it back at 70 rupees for his 40 lakh shares, and now he has 80 lakh shares in total. He kept 40 lakh for manipulation and the remaining 40 lakh shares he sold at 300 rupees price and brought it back at 70 rupees, and total he made a profit of 230 rupees. Now multiply this 230 rupees profit into 40 lakh shares. He made a total profit of 92 crores. Now he will call that ABC company promoter back. As per agreement, he should return back his 80 lakh shares to him, right? So he returns his 80 lakh shares to the promoter and some percentage of commission in that 92 crore profit. Here, both of them made money, crores of money, but all the retail traders lost their money. Imagine the pain of some person who bought at 300 rupees and sold at 100 rupees. This is how people lose their tons of money and all their assets, and big players will go party. So please don't get into these kind of traps. Make sure to learn technical and fundamental analysis before investing or trading into any sort of companies. Okay, thank you so much.